Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. Probably you are facing this kind of problem that says message not sent. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact solution. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. The first thing you have to do is go to your settings. So normally search settings, I'm searching it. And then we have to go to apps and then manage apps. Here we'll see all of the available apps in our device. So we have to search the app messages. I'm searching it messages. And now we have to force it stop first. So I'm clicking force stop and then clicking this clear data and clear all data. Okay. So this is the primary step. Now we have to open the message app again. So this is our message app. And this is the first step to log in. So I'm just using one of my email address over here and continue. And here is the conversation, right? Now, if you want to avoid not send problem, then just click again on this start chat button and search the phone number of the person. And after then, choose with. Make sure that your SIM is correct. For example, I'm choosing and changing the SIM to SIM2. And now selecting the same contact number. And if I try send some messages, then the message will be sent. So here you can see that I have sent a message to my own number, so I got a reply like message. So that's all for today's video. I think you have understand what I have done. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.